Hello, and thank you again for joining me for another video. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this dice or metal keychain or key holder. Hello again. So look at all these keychain or key holders that I've made with different colors. Look at this, so beautiful, so colorful. Look at this yellow one, very pretty. I use yellow. Let me put this down. This is what we are going to learn how to make today. Okay, I'm going to use yellow and pearls to make it, and the other ones I use different size of bead to make it. The blue one is different size, and this one is 6mm. All these are 6mm beads that I use, but I use 4mm for the blue. This is 6mm, and this one I use 80 seed bead. Okay, I use 80 seed bead to make this. So after I put the chain on it, I just hook on earring hook on it, and you can wear it as earring. It looks very beautiful. I use the same technique for all of them, the same technique for all. You can make it. So today I'm going to use 50-pound beading wire and a little cutter to cut all my loose thread. Let me show you how I made this. I have here 8mm bead in pearls and 8. This is fasted bead that I'm using over here. And you need 24 of each colors. I'm going to string 4 bead on the line. I'm taking 2 yellow and 2 pearls, like this. So I string 2 pearls and 2 yellow, like this. And I'm going to cross the yellow with my other line and pull. So to make this, you need 24 of each colors. Okay, 24 bead. So we have 4 flower over here, and now I'm adding 2 pearls and 1 yellow bead. Okay, you have to watch closely where I'm putting the beads, where each color is going, so you can make yours perfectly. So now I'm going to add 2 pearls again on my right, and on the left I add 1 yellow, this one, and I'm going to cross into the yellow and pull. Now this is how it's looking like. So I'm going to flip it over so I can work on the right direction. Okay, I'm a right-handed. So with my line, this is how it's looking like. This line into the next bead. This is where your line should look like. Okay, this is how it should look like in your bead. And now I'm going to end this step with 2 pearls. I pick up 2 pearls, okay? And now pull down. And this is what you should have if you complete this step. Okay, now our line is in 1 bead. This is how it's looking like. We have 4 in the middle, and on the corners are pearls. So this line, 1 pearl and 2 yellow bead. So I'm crossing my line into the yellow bead and pull. Pull down. I'm going to go through the next bead. Go to the next bead. And add 1 yellow and 1 pearl. You have to watch closely how I'm picking the colors of the bead, okay? And I'm going to go through the next pearl again. 2 yellow bead. Into the next bead. 1 yellow and 1 pearl. I'm going to go through the next pearl again. So here we are going through all the pearls on the edge of the the first step that we made. That's what we are doing over here. I'm adding 2 yellow beads. I'm going to go to the next bead. One yellow and one pearl. I'm going to go through this bead again. Two yellow bead. I'm going to go to the last one and the one on the side, okay? I'm going to go through this one first and this one to complete this step too. And now the number of beads I need here is only 1 yellow bead. And now we make a perfect square. Look at how pretty it is. We're almost there to complete, okay? This is how it's looking like. This is taking a square shape. This is how it's looking like. This line, 1 yellow and 2 pearl. That means I take 3 beads, starting with yellow and 2 pearls. I'm going to go through the next bead. And I'll be adding 1 pearl and 1 yellow. Into the next bead. Now we are going through all the edge bead over here again. 2 pearls. You see how the square is taking shape? We're putting yellows in between, 4, 4, 4 in between. And I'm adding 1 pearl and 1 yellow. If you didn't pick the colors right, you are not going to get the design that I have over here. So you watch closely and pick the bead, the right colors for the right spot. 2 pearls. Into the next bead. 1 pearl and 1 yellow. Feel free to use your own choice of colors of bead that you want. It just have to be 2, okay? Into the next bead. 2 colors, you need 24 of it. 2 pearls. I'm going to go through this and this one. These 2 over here, like we did for the second step. I'm going through this yellow one and the one on the side. The number of beads we need over here is only 1 pearl. Cross and pull down. We're about to complete. You see all the 4, 4, 4 we have in the middle. So look at all this. Now we just have to complete the top and that will be it. So this is where our line is in 1 bead over here, okay? This line into the next bead. I'm going to go through this bead over here, the pearl. And now my line is in 2 bead. I want you to have it like this, like this. Now we are going to cross our line into only 1 bead, which is yellow, because we have to complete the top with yellow. Okay, this line into the next 2 pearls. So we are going to go through all the 2 bead on the corners, okay? This is the second one. And now we are going to cross our line into this yellow bead. 1 yellow bead. And now I'm going to go through the next 2. cross your line into one yellow bead. We have to complete the top with yellow bead. Okay, you see how it's taking shape already. Now we are about to complete. This is a very firm and strong shape that we are creating. Now I'm going to go through the last two beads in the corner, this one and this one. So this time we are going to need a little chain. Okay, this is where our line is in the last bead, so we need a little chain over here and a hook. So I'm going to pull my line. I'm going to pull my line through this chain, just a little one, a little chain that you need, okay? Like this. We are crossing our line into only one yellow bead because we need one yellow to complete the design at the top. So you just fit it in like this, and the rest of the line, you weave it back into the bead and make it strong and firm before you trim it off. Like what I'm doing over here. Just weave it back into the bead and then trim it off. This is how it's looking like. And now we have to put the ring on it. If you have any pointed edge, just use it because sometimes these things are very tight. So you just put it in like this and then slide your chain on it. Then take it off, take your sharp edge or something off, and then drag it to the middle to lock. So this is all we have to do to achieve this dice or metal keychain or key holder. Use your own choice of bead and colors to achieve this beautiful design. Okay, you can hook it in your car, put your key on it, and this one is in 6mm. I use 6mm for it. The blue one that I made, the cute little one, is 4mm bead. Okay, you can make this or give it to your friends and loved ones. They will love you more. Thank you for watching. I thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Look at all these pretty colors. And look at this earring too. How cute is that? So pretty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification button for new videos that I'll be uploading. Thank you for watching. Bye.